Do you like diversify or refocus on what you want, and then now you maximize on maybe risk, or rather elevate the risk exposure per trade?
So we are talking about the risk management.
Yeah.
Okay, the risk management, in an account, it's very crucial. It's very crucial. Yeah. So it's like actually, like right now, I take a trade. Yeah. Every single dollar. Yeah. Like I take it as a soldier.
What did you do after the loss that made you come back and perhaps make you still stick in this market? Hello traders, yet another episode of Bullish Banter, and today I'm joined by a special guest. I think this will be one of those episodes a lot of traders, especially the beginners, would want to listen to, and I hope the guest we have today will do you justice. Your host Jesse. I will be recording this, or rather we are recording this on the 7th of November, and just, I call November the Friday of the year, because December, it is what it is. Other than that, how are you today?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. Maybe you can introduce yourself.
Okay. So my name is Wesley. Actually, I'm the CEO of FX Masterminds. Okay, go check it out on Instagram.
Okay.
Yeah.
How long have you been trading?
Actually, it's now 1 year and a half.
Okay.
Yeah, almost.
How is the journey so far?
We are pushing.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Given it's been a year, for a trader's perspective, the first trade is usually the one which makes you either stay or, leave it.
Yeah.
How did you begin your trading journey?
Okay, my trading journey actually has been very amazing, actually. I started trading back in 2023.
Yeah.
Whereby actually I was introduced by my friend Sharot Muxi, the guy who met me and decided to change my life.
Okay.
So the guy had this wonderful friend called. Actually, I don't think I need to mention their names.
Okay.
And I met them actually talking about this conversation about the Forex and stuff, currency exchange, buying and selling.
Yeah.
And actually, it spiked my mind, and I was like, hey, they're talking about money. And I was actually a fan.
Yeah.
I'm a fan of money.
Okay.
Money.
Yeah.
And see, actually, I have $1 in my neck.
Yeah.
So let me.
So when you met them, like, did they start teaching you already, or what was the advice they gave you so that you found yourself in it now?
Actually, they told me it's how. Let me remember the word they used.
Yeah.
Hot water.
Okay.
They call this is a field of hot water. And it doesn't suit everyone.
Okay.
Like si mchezo, hakuna mchezo iko hapo.
Yeah.
So like that's where actually it began. We talked a little bit, and I told them I'm interested.
Yeah.
And we had to organize a day where we could meet and talk about it and start the journey. So to organize up on a Sunday.
Yeah.
A Sunday afternoon we met, and that's where it began. So
okay. So I know a lot of traders will either go to the live account or start with a demo for a while or watch a few videos online. Which path did you take?
So at first, every trader must go through a demo. Okay. I went a demo actually for 2-3 months. And kiburi kapanda kidogo. The trades were nice. I was actually at a profit because I started with a demo of $1,000.
Yeah.
Kidogo natengeneza paka $10. And pole tu, actually I had a very nice mentor.
Okay.
The guy actually told me it's just slowly, but lazima ikitu tu uji nini
ujitume.
Hapana, si kujituma. Yeah. Uingie like uielewe kivyako.
Okay.
Hii ni kitu like it's not hard like someone to teach you about it, like lazima you enter on your own, figure things out on your own.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which currency did you execute on the live, and how much? Did you deposit so that you make your first trade, if you remember?
So actually, I used to trade gold, the oil NAS 100.
Okay.
GBP, GPY, I'm a huge fan.
Okay.
I do trade also Bitcoin.
Okay.
And
so which one was the first one, and how did it go?
Gold was the first one. And kwanza na ilinyorosha sisi because I deposited $100.
Yeah.
FX Pesa I was given a bonus.
Oh, okay.
Actually the account went ilienda poa from 100, and then nikatengenezaga $30. I got more excited and karudi tena ndani.
Okay.
At the first day nilitengenezaga $30.
Yeah.
I was very happy, but it didn't end actually very well.
Okay.
I end up blowing the account because of I was excited. I didn't have any plan. I was just there to I want to make money.
Okay. So between you losing your account and you are now 1 year plus, almost approaching 2 years.
Yeah.
What did you do to give you the confidence again? Because 14,000 is not $100 not an easy amount of money to just throw about it and then still go on. What did you do after the loss that made you come back and perhaps make you still stick in this market?
So let me venye tu nililuzigio $100 at first.
Yeah.
What actually happened? It didn't seem like a lot of money.
Okay.
While you are trading, losing like $100, just like it can get snatched out of your hands like very fast.
Yeah.
So ilienda lakini sasa I was niliona nilitengeneza pesa, so I can get back.
Okay.
Be disciplined enough. Like the mentor of mine was talking to me about and niendelee and make money.
Okay.
So the motivation ilikuwa.
Okay. 2023, if I remember correctly, was a very interesting year because it was just when FOMC were releasing statements, and I think that is when gold ilianza the bullish run.
Exactly.
Yeah. What strategy kept you in the market? Because I know that bullish run, a lot of people are like, itarudi chini. And every time it gives us a higher highs, all-time high from around, I think that time it was going above $2,500, $3,000 an ounce.
So actually I was using a strategy called sniper silver bullet strategy with a sniper entry.
If you don't mind, unaweza ambia watu venye ama we explain tu kidogo.
Actually how the strategy works. Niwaambia kweli?
Yeah.
But it's not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial advisor. You don't need to go and use up the strategy on your own.
Yeah.
So tatafuta yako.
Yeah.
So actually the strategy is whereby I could enter the charts, have my analysis, I get to check the buy side liquidity, the sell side liquidity, whether the market is either in a bullish trend or a bearish trend.
Yeah. Which time frame do you normally use?
I actually use the bigger time frame, actually the daily time frame first to confirm of the direction of the market first, and get to check the candlestick.
Yeah.
And then I get back to 4 hours, whereby I get to check now the first the daily time frame. It's just to check of the
the buy side liquidity and the
buy side, sell side liquidity. The more time frame 4 hours of which not maybe that much more. I enter to the daily time frame of which I get to check about of which the market trend is on, whether I get to check the sell side liquidity, the buy side liquidity, either way it's swept, and then get to the 4 hours, whereby we get to check out the previous highs and the previous lows.
Yeah.
I get back now to 30 minutes, 15 minutes. I get now to check about the entry, about the direction of the market, whether it's on a down, whether it's moving down. I don't have to fight the direction of the market.
Yeah.
I just move the trend.
Okay.
I don't trade against the
trend. It would be
the trend of which the trend is the the big investors.
Yeah,
we move along with them.
Yeah. I've talked to a trader who said for their strategy they backtested it for like 300 trades. Mwingine alisema na backtest for at least 190 days, 180 days, sorry. For you to say stick to this strategy, how long did it take you to maybe perfect it such that you rely on it? And kama hakuna setup, venye tumeongea umeniambia leo una trades in a run, so you are comfortable with that decision. How long did you take to get this setup?
Okay, so at first I will see this because I know the beginners, we want to empower them. We don't want them to go
kubahatisha.
Kubahatisha. Sitaki like wengine na kubahatisha. So actually mimi venye nilikuwa na hiyo strategy. My strategy actually worked for almost like 3 months. And then for the next month, like the strategy went somehow like it wasn't performing nicely. So nikakuwa like niko na hofu na my strategy, so I had like to start now reaching on friends like when you wanafanya pia the trades nijue like ni yangu tu peke yake ama pia call like mambo tu iko sawa. So I reached out to my mentor and akaanza kunipatia strategy yake nikifanya nayo hapa kidogo like situli. I reach out to Kafuri now is giving me these classes. I'm reaching out to this other person and which it like haikusaidia. Ikakuwa bado still now sasa kwanza unaingia kwa matope kwanza. So it's a journey whereby like unaingia nikakakaa hapo for a bit and then nika made up my mind again. Trades like analysis ni zangu tu mimi mwenyewe. I went back to my strategy. I get kurelax, kuisafisha, kuiclean, kufanya perfection hapa slowly like journaling. Because trades like you must journal. Like umeingia kwa hii trade, kwa nini umeingia kwa hiyo trade? Something like that.
So that your journal kuongea na wase, how important is it? Because ni kama ulikuwa na watu kadhaa unaweza ongea na wao, si ndio? Au kwa tu peke yako. And wakati ulikuwa unaongea nao, is it like unaulizia unaonaje gold inaenda juu ama chini ama ni zile za analysis yako and then you are sharing with them so that we can get your...
Okay, so actually it got interesting. Really the question that you asked. So these guys when you will come together, so when nilikuwa naulizia hapa signal yake ananichapia venye ana trade mwingine, so we came together tukapatana gamali moja. Sasa tukaanza like ku brainstorm ideas. Like hivyo wanasema like wewe unaonaje gold leo? Tuko na mwingine like I have a team of almost like 8 friends right now because each journey peke yako huwezi. So there is no need of you like going alone. Like it said if you want to go like far, you walk alone. I mean fast. You walk alone. So tukapangaga a day where we met the whole crew. And so kulikuwa na ulikuwa unasema like the strategy yako inawakaje, so the guy anarusha hapo like idea yake unafikiria aje, huyu mwingine anarusha yake, and then overall like ni lazima tukuje na one
consensus in mali direction market
one direction. Tukuje tuseme like tuangalie huyu amesema ni buy ni sell, but at the end of the talk like tutakuja tuseme kama ni buy of which sasa like we come together, kama ni buy tunachukua buy sote. But sasa
sorry.
But sasa something interesting is my entries and my position like walikuwa nazipenda sana. So mimi hata like ningeamka 3 kama ni NAS, actually I love NAS 100. Naamka 3 am na naamsha the same team naambia 3 am mimi nitawapatia signal. Wananiambia it's fine. Wanaamka hapo na warushia wote tunaingia the trade na like very early to 6. We are in profits. So the guy wako office washapata ya breakfast and then the day goes on na wanasikia turatu sana. So they always look up on me on this.
You mentioned to me earlier that at least up to date you are more profitable than the amount you have deposited.
Sure.
My question would be, after how long did you achieve such? And given mulikuwa mnamshana 3 am mkaamua ni Nasdaq, so mbona Nasdaq, mbona series zingine? And
So venye mi nilijipata kwa market na the mentor like mwenye aliniingishaga kwa hii soko nilipata ni zile vitu alikuwa na trade bado ndo nilijipata pia mimi nazitrade juu kama ni hiyo gold akianalyze mimi nilikuwa hapo ananionyesha hivi na hivi, so like I just continued with
what you got.
Yeah, what I got. So, nilipatiwa ndo niliendelea nayo.
If it is not broken and you said it's giving you the dollars.
Actually and NAS 100 nikaipendea hapo because it actually move very fast. I like trading very fast currencies or indices. It is.
Do you like diversify or you focus on what you want and then now you inaitwangaje you maximize on maybe risk or rather elevate the risk exposure per trade?
So we are talking about the risk management.
Yeah.
Okay, the risk management, in an account, it's very crucial. It's very crucial. Yeah. So it's like actually, like right now, I take a trade. Yeah. Every single dollar. Yeah. Like I take it as a soldier. So like the dollars in your account, those are soldiers. So huwezi kuwa like unaachilia tu soja wako tu without like you don't know like unaachilia wapi, because a ruler with no nishaingia hata kwa mambo zingine mingi. So hawa ni soja, so nikiwachilia like kama sina formation, sijapanga strategy, they will be all slaughtered. So lazima nikiachilia soja wangu hapo, kama tuseme it's a 100 account ama it's a 1000, it's a 50,000 account, I'm maximizing on the losses, and maybe I'm risking like 1% or 2% of the account.
When you say 2%, is it in dollar terms ama tu ni hivyo 2%, whatever amount hiyo 2% ita fall on hapo ndio tunaweka stop loss or take profit or however?
Exactly. Like tell me it's a 1,000 account, the 2% I can't risk more than that.
In the learning phase, what indicators ulitumia?
Wow. Nilijaribu kila kitu. I traded everything, like and indicators zote, the RSIs, the smart money concepts. Hizo money zote tulizitumiaga zote.
Okay.
But at the end, lazima like as a trade ukistart, like you do everything no, venye tu na mature like kitu bado iko ndani yako, you will get your on your strategy, like the requirements of the what are we talking about, the
indicators and
the indicators that you want.
Okay.
Yeah.
I tend to believe, let's say kuna time SMC ilikuwa big, ICT bado I think ni big.
It's big. ICT
price
big.
action is literally combination of all this. I tend to believe you borrow something from each strategy.
Like everything like I learned, whether price action, whether the smart money concept, all of them. Like on my trading journey, I'm using just some part and then I nazileta pamoja to execute my trades. Excellent. So like price action inasaidia from the candlesticks, just like check like.
Okay.
Yeah.
You had already told me your biggest amount you won. I think that was around $1,000 and
24.
Sorry. $1,000 and 24.
It was madness.
Okay. How long did you achieve such? After how long from the starting period?
After like I think 6 months.
6 months.
Yeah.
All right. So didn't you like say, think I've done enough? And maybe I should go and in the same way in gambling, they normally say when you make your biggest loot, take it out and never go back. Yeah. So how did you handle the money? Of course, I know you withdraw it and then you are from Meru, so I don't know how big such an amount would be. I'm not saying that Meru, that amount is not big, but for a trader 6 months in, how do
actually Meru is a small city.
But
it's a city.
Yeah, it is a beautiful city, by the way.
Actually, I remember the day like yesterday. It was on a Friday. Actually, the withdrawal, I got my withdrawal like on a Friday afternoon saa 8.
Okay.
Nilikuwa tu hapo in an office of my friend there. Whereby like we used to get our trades done. It was on a Friday afternoon. So this guy mwenye like we used to trade with, he wasn't around. So when amekuja nikamwambia, hey my guy, we called each other, hey my friend. Nikamwambia, you know what? Leo tunaenda kukula lunch in the biggest hotel here in Meru.
lunch.
Lunch, yeah. Because it was on a
Friday.
It was on a Friday and it's afternoon and like hata hatukuwa tumeenda kula lunch.
Yeah.
So alikuwa busy, mimi nilikuwa busy na my trades. I just closed the buys. Zilikuwa gata za gold.
Okay.
I just traded gold and the trades like nikazichukua.
Cleared the entire account, nothing for Monday.
No, only profit. The account I only withdraw the profit. Yeah, sikutoaga hizo zingine.
Okay.
Kachukua the profits, tukazitoa. The guy so like hata hiyo withdraw.
Yeah.
Alikuwa ananiambia ni uongo. Mimi namwambia si amini it's the first one.
Okay.
Lakini si we've been like tumekuwa tukideposit hata kama the other ones we've been losing.
Yeah.
I think haiwezi kuinaenda lakini kutoka itakuwa shida. Okay. And then the withdrawal came. Damn. Straight kwa M-Pesa, juu iliingia kwa M-Pesa kutoa 100,000 yote mara moja. Hata the M-Pesa guy was like because my friend was like hey, your pesa itoke. He's a very fun guy, like I do like him so very much.
Okay.
So pesa ikatoka. Hapo tukaenda tukafunga maofisi kila kitu.
Yeah.
Tukazifunga zote tukaenda sasa zetu hapo kwanza vibamba moja mbili hapo chupa moja. Yani it was a very nice Friday.
Okay.
Sherehe ilipigwa hapo mbaya.
Since then, I'm sure you have made some profit along the way.
Yeah.
How do you handle your money? Because I'm sure you don't like party anymore. I mean, after 2 or 3 times inakuwa a bit, you need to now start thinking of the future. How do you handle your finances from there?
My finances.
If you are okay to share, at least.
My finances, actually, I do invest kiasi.
Okay.
Actually, as a young, I would advise like the small or the young generation, the young traders ukifanya hapo like your withdrawals, make sure you are investing.
Okay.
Yeah, because like you are not in this game like to play around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Given from the time you started and the path you took ni different na watu wengine maybe wanaingia online, unaona mtu online, you start learning or opening an account, watch videos and maybe you're alone, sindio? To date, whereby there is a lot of, I would say, information about it. There is a lot of communities, Discord, X, Instagram, TikTok. What do you think is the advantage of the current environment in trading compared to maybe time ulianza? And what do you think should be fine-tuned kidogo kusaidia or to make it easier for upcoming traders?
Hiyo kizungu imekuwa mingi hapo sijashikanisha.
No.
I hope you're asking like the trading field.
Yes.
So actually mimi I do trade with my friend there at Discord.
Yeah.
I have a Discord community.
Okay. Unaona saizi kuna a lot of information huko nje ama like it's a bit compare na time yenye ulianza. Is it that kuna so many, unajua I think 2023 ndio watu walikuwa wameanza kupeana free courses, ndio? Yeah. And then saizi kuna both free and paid, yeah? Kwa mtu mwenye anaanza saizi, what is the advantage of the current environment compared to time yenye ulianza?
Actually saizi wenye wanaanzia saizi like the field is very calm, the field is friendly.
Yeah.
Actually I think kwanza wenye wanaanza saizi wako at advantage level. Because mimi nakumbuka like hii mambo ilikuwa inachezwa ni chini ya maji.
Yeah.
Ilikuwa like openly like the way sisi mambo inaenda tu ikipata like information tu unaipata anywhere.
Okay.
Yeah, like and
what can be done to improve at least your ama venye tunaweza support, you know, besides of course kama saizi kushare experience yako and maybe a few tips. What is you think that a new trader akiangalia with all the information, wapi ndio itakuwa path mzuri ya kuchukua ukiendelea nayo?
Okay. Actually the question including in my head is nicely. So when we can help the beginners.
Yeah. Or even intermediate.
Actually the beginners should have the class sana ni risk management.
Yeah.
And at starting they should start with the funded accounts.
Okay.
I think that is more of risk management secured.
Okay.
Yeah, like hii mambo ya kudeposit juu account, you are depositing $10 here, you are blowing, you are getting uko hapo nje tena, uko kuhaso tena, unaingia tena, you blow.
Yeah.
So mimi I do recommend unapata hapo account ya funded, you pass the challenge.
Yeah.
And I think that is more even easier. Tuseme hata ni funded account ziko a lot like funded next,
kuna watu ni risk takers.
Yeah.
Alafu kuna moderate, alafu kuna reserved. Si ndio? Wewe una follow up hapo.
Mimi am a risk taker.
Good question. Good. Now, for beginner venye umesema usitumie do yako, right? But umse yako za like ameunda demo kama we after 3 months. When am I actually making money? You have done live and then you ukaenda FTMO. Which one, as a trader now where you are, which one do you prefer? Funded account ama live account ama both of them?
So season ni both of them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why both of them, by the way?
It can be a bad day like on a funded account and maybe like the rules you are being like the drawdown inaingia na hapo unaona kama like that's where like umeka all your hopes unaona hapo like itakuja kukupatia depression. So mimi I do prefer having my like some couple accounts.
Okay.
Na kwa maybe niko na funded and then hizi za deposit niko na account zangu kama 2 ziko hapo. So hii kimesa hapa like nachukua trade nyingine hapa safi na like I try to stabilize.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good that we mention hivyo. So I want to assume I mean you like Nasdaq. So kwa hizi zote una trade Nasdaq ama kwa hizi umezibalance vizuri?
Sorry.
Kwa hizi account zote zenye uko nazo ni yote una trade Nas 100 ama kila account ina trade kitu yake?
So I had to like nakuwa na single like every day. Like kuna specific type of either like when currency money like in a trade. So tuseme like I was this account nasema leo nataka ni analyze tuseme Nas 100. I get to check like how the chart is. Leo ikininyorosha and like I don't chase like losses and I like una accept. You don't be like emotionally attracted to the money. It will end up like messing you so much. So like unapaswa kuwa like loss imekuja, accept your loss, cut the trade very fast, achana nayo. So mimi stakagi after tuseme like nime trade on us maybe I don't look at it sasa hiyo. So juu niko na zingine za kutrade maybe naingia kwa gold. I analyze gold naangalia kama like kuna setup naweza trade, kama hakuna hapo naendia hapo again tena maybe mpaka kesho.
Okay. Very nice. Umesema risk taker. So kuna traders nimeongea nao wanasema wataka trade moja kwa siku, moja kwa mwezi, you know, high efficient setup. And kama hakuna ako sawa. Alafu kuna ule anatumia 1 minute to 5 minutes time frame.
Scalpers. Me I don't do scalping.
Have you tried?
I've tried scalping lakini sipendi kwa sababu most of the time utapata uliingia scalping kiasi. Ushapatana hata na kashughuli kiasi hapo. The account is messed. So me I'm not like I don't do scalping so much.
Okay.
I'm more of a swing trader.
How do you like given that now umefika maluko and I'm sure you interact with other new traders and when you umesema you know you are still in the learning phase. Mtu akikuuliza unisaidie kutrade, how do you go about you know guiding them given that you are also still I would say discovering, you know? Do you like unawapeleka kwa class ama mnashare na wao venye wewe ulisaidiwa?
So actually sisi mtu ananiambia nataka kutrade of which nimekuwa with most of them maybe like students wanani text hapo naambia like I want to know more of this trading. So actually me what I do na warushaga some PDFs. Mostly sati tuko around like unapata mtu maybe hata ako Meru or is in Nairobi or Mombasa or whatever is the place. So naangalia kama like interest yake. Unajua watu wengi wako pale for the money. They don't know like hiyo pesa si ati ndio the main goal of which pesa pale it's a score. So you have like to go through every phases of this like trading uelewe kila kitu and then it will like itakureward after usha get like what is needed.
I like the fact that umesema the score inamaanisha the process might not really yield much but by the end of the day how much you achieve from ile investment time that you umeweka kwa chart, what you make is the score. It will determine how much effort you've put in. The lower the money, the lower the effort. The higher the reward, it means higher score because umetia bidii.
Actually mimi nakumbukaga hiyo time nikijifunza kutrade. I thought like kwanza like losses kwanza lazima mbele zinakunyorosha. Nikiwa maybe una deposit hata $50. unaingia maybe New York session hapo kitu saa 8.
Yeah.
Inaona wakale ka $50 kashaenda. Juli utapata tutengenezi pesa. Hauna purpose kwa ile trading, like ile trading field. Ile ni kitu lazima unakuwa na purpose. Juli ile pressure inakuwaga hapo, like kama hujielewi nini unafanya hapo, my friend, like you're gonna be smoked.
When I like mahali unaenda na pressure, si ndio?
There will be smoked.
Yeah.
Juu, like kutengeneza pesa kwa forex sio ngumu.
Okay.
Sio ngumu. Lakini ile kitu unajiulizaga, iko na haja gani sisi utengeneze 1 million kama kesho utarudi tu uirudishe yote? What is the meaning, like kama utatengeneza 1 million and then the next trade unairudisha yote? Like hata niambie, what is the meaning of?
There is no meaning at all.
There is no meaning of, like sasa pale lazima uko na like purpose na strategy yako msafi sana. Yeah, so that is the thing I would say.
Okay. Besides, of course, making sure that you make your profit. So do you have like a rule? Nimeunda 1 million. Kuna percentage unatoa. Yeah. How do you make sure that account ina grow, but also you are paying yourself?
So actually niko na mimi nalipa rent. Na hiyo rent yangu hapa kwa hii trade, like kwa trade lazima like rent yangu inatoka kwa forex, hapo kwa trade. So lazima ni make sure like zile profit nimefanya, tuseme when a day is very nice, tuseme like even having $1,000 account, hata 50k ni pesa kidogo. Umeplania na the siku imekuja siku mzuri. So hiyo 50,000 ikiingia, you have bills, so you fix kwanza the bills kiasi zile ni major ones. Hizi zingine nazo like hazinipiagi pressure.
Well, I think for those who are starting, this should be your episode, and I can only imagine the skies that you will reach in the future. Well, I've been your host for Bullish Banter. I think by the time you see these videos, we might have met on 14th of November. I hope we'll have had a very nice conversation. Some of these conversations are what a lot of traders, I think, wanapenda, something that is what a lot of traders actually go through, because si wengi wako kwa 1% level, but you are in your journey, you have had what he did, consistency, self-belief, community, and always having accountable partners like your friends, you share ideas, and more importantly, persistency in what you're doing that is generating you good returns. I hope you have learned one or two things. If you have any question or comments, make sure to share them below. We will definitely share it with Wesley, and hopefully we'll have him next year when utakuwa umefika hasa level ingine sasa. And I think that will be a good testimony, inshallah. Other than that, have yourself a wonderful day ahead. Wherever you are, have a peaceful trading journey. Adios.